Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download BlueStacks on your PC. So BlueStacks is basically an engine that allows you to play mobile games on your PC. If you want to download it, you need to go to your browser and then here you need to search for BlueStacks. And here you need to click on the top link, that is bluestacks.com. And from here you need to download BlueStacks 5. Click on it. This will start downloading. So here when I go to my file explorer, I go to downloads, programs, and here you will see that BlueStacks installer is downloaded. Now you need to double click on it and here you need to click on install now. This will start downloading BlueStacks on your PC. So here you can see that my BlueStacks has been downloaded. Now all you need to do is right click on it and then click on run as an administrator, and this will start your BlueStacks engine. It will take a minute for the first time to load. So here you can see that my BlueStacks has been installed. Now if you want to play games, go to Play Store, sign into your Google account and then start having fun. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next